Thank you for purchasing our EA500C3 LED display product from our Nigerian customer. The design of this LED display fully considers the needs of users, and its excellent performance and convenient installation method have won the favor of customers. The EA500C3 LED display features a quick lock design around the perimeter, making the installation process more convenient and efficient. This is especially important for rental businesses that require frequent setup and disassembly. EA500C3 LED display uses durable and beautiful materials to ensure long-term stable operation and maintain a good appearance in various environments. This not only extends the product's lifespan, but also provides users with a more reliable solution.